Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Okay, guys, on our new Naira notes that has just been unveiled, yes, it is no longer news that the CBN has announced October that the new Naira notes, our currency in Nigeria, will be redesigned. And thank God it has been redesigned, and it has been launched, unveiled today, Wednesday, 23, yes, November 23, 2022. President Muhammadu Buhari has unveiled the new Naira note as proposed by the Central Bank of Nigeria, and Buhari unveiled the new currency note on Wednesday morning before the Federal Executive Council FEC meeting at the State House, Abuja. So, Godwin Emefiele, the governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, was in attendance during the unveiling ceremony, and Sahara reporters had reported in October that the Central Bank of Nigeria announced its plan to redesign all major Naira notes, and it gave December 15, 2022 the date to start circulating the new notes. And guys, the Central Bank announced that it will redesign Naira notes in order to control the amount of currency in circulation and manage inflation and to combat counterfeiting. But these challenges primarily include the challenges we are facing why the Naira have to be redesigned. One of the reasons was that significant hoarding of banknotes by members of the public, and with statistics showing that over 85% of currency in circulation are outside the vault of commercial bank. Imagine that's CBN, that's coming from the governor of CBN, Godwin Emefiele. And to be more precise, as of the end of September 2022, the CBN's data indicate that 2.73 trillion of the 3.23 trillion in currency in circulation was reportedly held by the general public. Yes, it was reportedly held by the general public outside the country's commercial bank vault. So evidently, currency in circulation has more than doubled since 2015. So which it rise from 1.46 trillion in December 2015 to 3.23 trillion in September 2022, and this is a worrisome trend that cannot be allowed to continue. So hereby, that was why the Naira have to be redesigned, and the bank stated that it had made provision for simple exchange in response to worries about Nigerians in rural areas, particularly given the short deadline for submitting the old notes. So guys, if you have the old notes, you better bring it out. That is why we see all these dirty Naira notes in circulation for now. And guys, you need to see the new Naira notes. The difference I just spotted was that the color that was the 500 Naira is still 500 Naira, but just that it changes color. Yes, I think they just swap the colors, because 500 Naira now carries the color that 200 Naira note carries, and the 200 Naira notes now wear the same color that 500 Naira. They just, like swapping. So it's just 200 Naira notes now looks as the picture of 500 Naira note. I mean the looks before the 500 Naira note looks before, and then the 1000 Naira note is no longer, should I say, it's no longer silver, or it's now blue, though it's still 1000 Naira, and the redesign was just the color that was changed. Yes, I think they swapped the color of 200 Naira to 500 Naira and 500 Naira notes to 200 Naira notes. So you can check it. So drop your comment. What do you see about this development, about the new Naira notes that have just been redesigned by the Central Bank of Nigeria? So thank you guys.